Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data integration with Informatica, full guide step by step clearly. To scale data integration with Informatica, first, assess your current infrastructure. Identify the data sources and the volume of data you're working with. Consider your scaling needs based on business growth projections. Next, review the existing Informatica setup and configurations. Evaluate the current performance metrics to understand bottlenecks. Upgrade your hardware resources, if necessary, to accommodate larger data loads. Implement Informatica Power Center, as it offers robust data integration capabilities. Utilize Informatica Cloud for flexibility and scalability when needed. Configure distributed processing across multiple nodes to enhance performance. Set up a repository for metadata management to maintain data lineage. Optimize data pipelines by eliminating redundancy and streamlining transformations. Incorporate caching strategies to improve execution time for frequently accessed data. Adjust the session and workflow configurations to parallelize data flows. Regularly monitor system performance and adjust resource allocation accordingly. Establish data quality rules to ensure accuracy and consistency. Leverage automation tools for scheduling and managing workflows efficiently. Implement load balancing to distribute workload evenly across available resources. Integrate with orchestration tools to manage complex data workflows. Ensure robust security measures are in place to protect sensitive data. Continuously train your team on best practices for using Informatica effectively. Finally, regularly review and refine your data integration strategy as business needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.